If you're a small business owner and you are selling products on TikTok or Instagram, you need to watch this video because I want to show you this one strategy to get more sales from past viewers. So these are people who have come across your product or your TikTok account but have just not made a purchase for whatever reason. It's called retargeting ads, and they can be insanely cheap to run on TikTok or Instagram or Facebook. Essentially runs an ad to viewers who have seen your page in the last 90 days, so either on TikTok or on Instagram. This is especially great if you're running promotions on Black Friday or Cyber Monday, because if you start right now, your ad will be remarketing to people who have viewed in the last 90 days, which is crucial. So here's how to do it. If you're running retargeting ads on Instagram, you need to go to Meta Business Suite, okay? If you're running retargeting ads on TikTok, you need to go to TikTok for Business. You then set up your TikTok pixel or your Meta pixel for your website and link it to either your Shopify or whatever website host you have. And what's amazing is that these ads are insanely cheap, from like $5 to $20 per day on either TikTok or Instagram. They bring amazing results. Every pro marketer that I know, and myself included, have to run retargeting ads for our clients. And these are big name companies. They always run retargeting ads. Let's say, for instance, have you ever been on a website, you just browse their website, and then like 5 minutes later, you're on Instagram or TikTok and you see an ad for that company? Well, it's because they are running retargeting ads and you need to be doing the same thing. So if you want to call back people back to your website for whatever reason they didn't make a purchase, get them back on your website and add to cart and purchase using retargeting ads. Like this video if you want a full tutorial. I'm happy to help.